Simpson, and I'm the owner of California Urban Specialist. And I wanted to put this video out today to let you know that we're looking for RV technicians. We're looking for technicians in the industry that, maybe you're not happy with where you're working. You're tired of doing warranty work, having tons of notes, having to work for this, we'll call it the box store set motion. If you're looking for something new, you're looking for something that you can, come to work, not have all the stress and the urgency and the rush. Hey, that unit's being sold. We need to get it out today. And, the people were mad about the warranty work and that kind of stuff. We don't have any of those kind of issues here. Typically, we handle a lot of extended warranty, customer pay, insurance jobs. And we do lots of accessories, obviously, everything from, tow cars, hitches, all your typical stuff, slide out toppers, fans. We do a lot of roof replacements. We usually do about 50 roofs a year. We do some remodels. We do a lot of custom stuff. We do minor paint and body. So take a look at our videos, YouTube, social media stuff. Give us a shot and give us a call.